it's so nice to see you again. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Noreen Burke, owner of Call Clutter Fairy Home Organizing, and this is my YouTube channel, The Crafty Organizer. I am always trying to sneak out every single bit of hidden storage that I can find in homes. Today I wanted to show you some unexpected places where you can utilize storage and create additional space. This happens to be my 13-year-old's room, and she has a large collection of sunglasses, and we were trying to find a neat way to display them that wasn't expensive but would also allow her to see them, have easy access to them, and get them off of the floor. So there was a space between her closet and her bedroom door, and I went to Home Depot and found these furring strips, which were 98 cents for a 4-foot strip. I painted them so they would match some of the colors in her room, and with one tiny drill hole and a nail, I created this for her. The molding around the closet and the door left the perfect 3/4 inch space behind the furring strip, which allows the arm of the sunglasses to easily slide in. She can arrange them as she chooses, see them all easily, and the best part, it only took $2 and some existing acrylic paint that we had to create this one-of-a-kind custom storage for her sunglasses. The next thing I want to show you is I have my bedroom in the living room so that my kids can each have their own space, which creates kind of a problem because I don't want people seeing my things. So I had this little telephone tray, or this telephone stand, and there's storage inside, which I decided to use for my laundry basket and my rain boots. Since I don't have a closet in the living room, this gives me a great and easily accessible place to throw my laundry. I don't have to smell it. I can easily pull the basket out when it's time to do laundry, and then I can just put the lid right back on. Another thing I love with my big black shelves, which are used as a room divider, again, I have a need for normal closet storage. So I have fabric bins on there, which I use for a multitude of things. But a sneaky trick is I took out the stabilizing cardboard on the bottom, and I use it as a lid so you don't see what's inside. This allows me to store shoes or pajamas or other items that, again, I don't want to be seen if you're in the living room, but that way it's tucked away. I can still easily access it, but best of all, when you walk in and look at this bookcase, you would never be the wiser that there was something personal inside. This last one is actually my favorite. So we get water service, which means that we're getting 4 of those big 5-gallon water bottles on a monthly basis. Well, where do you store those? Our garage is situated where it's behind our house, which means carrying those bottles to and from the garage every time we want water. It also means we don't want to store it inside because we do not have any place large enough to hold all those bottles. So I have a table that's on my little porch, and we decorate it all of the time. We change it for each season or each holiday. I decided to just throw a curtain panel on top that I got on clearance at IKEA, and I can hide my water bottles underneath the table. This works amazing for us. I can store 4 bottles. It's easily accessible to our kitchen, and it's also nice because our service guy who delivers the water knows right where they're at, and he can just swap the empties with full, and it's super easy for him. So this is one of my favorite storage solutions. It's shielded from the sun, and again, we just rotate them on a regular basis, and it's wonderful for everybody. Leave me a comment below on some strange storage solutions that you've come up with, or if you're struggling with an area, send me an email with a picture of it. I would love to see if I have a suggestion. You can go ahead and send that at callclutterfairy@gmail.com. I'll see if I can come up with a creative solution for you. Also, I'd love to hear in the comments below how you've overcome a storage issue. It always helps your fellow subscribers to come up with ideas of their own. Also, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm trying to post twice a week again if my schedule will allow it, but on the very least, I will be trying to post once a week. So until then, see you next time.